Guys, this is Scott from Yourbargindeals. Got this Craftsman 16-inch direct scroll saw. I'm fixing to demonstrate it. So we kind of walk it around here. You know, it's used, but it's in good shape. It works great. It's a little up there. It'll tilt up to a 45-degree angle. Okay, and then here's the model number and everything over here. Hopefully you can see that well. Okay, all right, sir. I want you to hold this right here. You got it in there?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Keep it on that. Turn it on.
Okay. Okay, Dad. When you put it on camera, it makes it.
Stop it?
No.
Okay, guys, that's it. All right, that's it. So I want to show you it works. It'll be uploaded and be up for sale at eBay.com. Thank you.